Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Silk beige MB Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300, 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, trailer hitch, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio and media display, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLC has 70,971 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.